So this is my new Code keyboard, which I just got in the mail. This is the box that it came in. I'm about to open the box. So inside the box we have the user's guide sheet. A wire keycap puller. What appears to be a USB cable. A PS2 adapter, it seems, in case you're using a computer from 1992, which I'm not. And then the keyboard itself. I went for the numpad-free option. I'm just going to have to put the camera down for a second, I think. Unless I can position it somehow. So, here we have the Code keyboard in all of its glory. I'll just position it in the sunlight there so you can see it a little better. As you can see, has the blank system key, which is pretty cool. I ordered some bonus keys as well. Replacement system keys and audio keys. I'll just zoom in a little bit so you can see the key font up close if my camera will refocus. Nope, doesn't want to. I'll press some keys so you can hear it a bit. So the action feels reasonably bouncy. I'm not exactly a keyboard nerd, but they do feel pretty good. It's reasonably loud, but I wouldn't say it's like, you know, gonna scare anyone out of your house. Just so I give you an idea of thickness, that's how thick it is. The rear of the keyboard. It's got your feet. Also here are the switches. Just let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. I don't know how to do manual zooming apparently. They're the switches where I think you can change, for example, whether you want to use like the command key on a Mac or the control key on Windows, which the instruction booklet referred to. And there's my cat, which you can get out of the way. Yeah, so that's the Code keyboard, unboxed in all of its glory. That's kind of it, I guess. So just to give you an idea of what the Code keyboard looks like with a desk setup, here it is with my 27-inch Dell IPS monitor. As you can see, it's a wide keyboard. It's not really ideal. I don't think I would have preferred a wireless version, but obviously that's not a priority for these mechanical keyboard manufacturers. This is it with its backlight on. You can adjust the backlight as well using the function keys. So if you want to turn up the backlight, I'm not sure if you can see that coming through on the camera, but there are a bunch of different backlight settings. One thing to note is that apparently the backlight doesn't work on the media keys. You can see below the home, page up, page down, end, all those keys, whatever you call them. There is also a series of media key icons which work, but they are not backlit, which is a shame. But there it is, switched on. Looks quite neat. Yeah, so that's the Code keyboard. I've tested it out for a while to see what I think of it, but certainly it does look very neat. It's very nice, very clean, and certainly on first glance it looks pretty good.